Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Tank. Today is the 12th of January, 2022. In this video, we're going to be covering a couple of the assets in the Cosmos ecosystem. I'll be giving you guys some simple TA for a lot of these assets in the Cosmos ecosystem. I'll be telling you guys where I think they are right now within the markets, as well as where I think they might be going in the short term in the future. But before I do that, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow here on YouTube. Admittingly, I can only do that with your guys' support. I'm trying to do this the right way from the ground up. So if you guys would help me out, subscribe to the channel. I'll also have you know that when you do subscribe to my channel, you could possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or an MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. If you're one of those lucky winners, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will ship it to you absolutely free. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do the entire Cosmos ecosystem a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and make this short and sweet. We're going to jump on into the Atom chart to start this video off. We're looking at it on the daily time frame, and of course, I'm still using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool of choice. Right now, the first thing I want to point out to you guys is look at Market Cipher B. There's a few things I want to point out to you guys with Market Cipher B. One, the RSIs, which are a lagging indicator, are clearly pointing back up right now. Now, they are a lagging indicator, so keep that in mind and do with that what you will. But I also see further signals showing us some really bullish signals right now with Market Cipher B. We also have a trigger dot right here, which is this green dot showing us that we have momentum to the upside, that this could possibly be another breakout like we had right here to the upside when it exploded after confirming that trigger dot. So we have two things right now on Market Cipher B pointing back up. We have the RSIs and we have this trigger wave being printed. And then the third thing, the more important thing of them all to me, is this curvature that we're seeing form and possible breakout from the momentum waves back from the red into the green that's happening right now on Market Cipher B. Now, if you guys have been watching my videos, I've preached to you guys over and over and over that on Market Cipher B, I like to look for curvature. Now, what I mean by that is with these momentum waves, when I get really excited is when I start seeing these negative money flow waves, which is this red wave right here, start turning back up into the green. Now, green being positive money flow and red again being negative money flow, kind of like we did right here on the charts in the past, guys, when we started curving back up from this red negative money flow back into the green. And when we crossed back over into the green, you can see with everything else on this chart, we started exploding to the upside. We started making mountain ranges with the momentum waves. We started seeing really big money flow coming back in on the space. We started creating money flow mountain ranges as well to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. I'm starting to look for that same setup that we had back here, right here on the charts. And it does look like it's actually going to be playing out here if things can maintain themselves. So I've been watching that curvature on the negative money flow wave for some time. I actually brought that to your guys' attention right around here. Right around here, I started seeing that rounding bottom start taking place. And I told you guys, don't front run things, but maybe possibly start DCAing. Matter of fact, I did tell you guys right here with these RSIs that it did look like Atom was fighting for a bottom position. Now, so far, so good. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back, but it has played out quite well from about that $20 range on the charts. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the traditional chart or Market Cipher A that houses the regular candles and the traditional patterns here. Now, I have a few things here on the chart. So again, don't let it confuse you guys. Let me just go ahead and kind of explain this and kind of clear this up for you guys so you guys know what you guys are looking at when you guys are looking at my charts. So right now, this white line is the resistance line that we're fighting. As you can see with this broken up dotted line right here from TradingView, we are just underneath resistance. So again, we are testing resistance over and over. You can see that we've tried to break through it a few times, and you guys know the saying, the more you test support and or resistance, the more likely you are to break through said support and or resistance. So we've actually tested it quite a few times. We've tested it once, twice, 3, 4 times now, and we're coming back up for a 5th time. Hopefully this is the momentum and this is the wave that we can actually break through it and treat it as support going forward. Only time will tell. Don't front run that. The other line that I want to show you guys is our previous support line. Now, this big white line right here that I have charted out is our big support line. Now, I was telling you guys before, when we had previous price action pulling us back down to the downside, that we more than likely we're going to catch support right here. Now, again, guys, this is just a really easy thing for me to actually draw for support. All I did was basically draw an average. This isn't a precise line by any means as far as support goes, but all I did was kind of just break the average between most of the price action in the past, and I just drew a line through things and projected it out. It just conveniently converged along with our trend line that we had when we started to break out to the upside after finding some more support from the bottom here. Right now, the Atom chart is looking really good. Now, since we're basically at where we were before, nothing changes for me. I still have the same support. I still have the same resistance. I'm just going to let the chart play out. I've projected my lines out, and And until they break or until the trend doesn't hold up, I'm going to stick with it, guys. This is what I have on the charts right now. Look for support and a resistance, of course, being down here by $32. Right now, I would more than likely look for support being around $36 because, again, we've had some previous price action just basically going sideways. That's what I'm seeing in the short to near future for Atom. Let's go on over to a couple other assets in the Cosmos space, guys. We're going to talk about SCRT right now. SCRT is doing great, guys. I'm going to keep this really simple on the charts. Again, this is on the daily time frame. I've been projecting this upward trend line for some time now, and I've adjusted it. Admittingly, I've adjusted it, guys. I actually had my trend line right around here before manipulating it just recently. Let me actually make this good for you guys. But I had it right here when we had 1, 2, 3 touches, and I projected it out. Right now, we are actually still, even if I kept my trend line there, we're still above that trend line. But ever since we actually had that big dip down, I moved my trend line to adjust it to reflect true price action. So again, we had this big surge. We came down. This held up as support. I'm going to treat it right now as my trend line, project it out, and right now I'm calling it, if we do have a reversal, look for support to be anywhere around $5.14. We might wick through that just a little bit. Again, wicking through the 50 SMA and coming back down here to the middle section of the two SMAs, which is the 200 SMA and the 50 SMA, which again would bring us right around on this trend line. Let's take a look at Akash right now, guys. Akash is looking badass. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. Akash is looking really badass. This is what I want to bring you guys' attention to here. Yes, I'm kind of reaching with my cup and handle pattern, but guys, this looks like a cup and handle pattern if I've ever seen one. We still got to give things time for it to play out. Again, it does have to make and complete that full handle pattern, and if it does, I see a lot of upward momentum. It's been coming down and getting beat up for some time. It's about time that Akash sees itself rise up out of the ashes and blast off again. Now we're going to jump into some real degen stuff, guys. Now we're going to be jumping on into the OSMOSIS platform. If you guys don't know what OSMOSIS is, OSMOSIS is a decentralized exchange in the Cosmos ecosystem that is just exploding right now. And I want to talk to you guys about some crazy things happening in the OSMOSIS platform. Now, I just want to show you guys some of my favorite protocols right now within this DEX. Now, I'm not saying these are any better than any of the other ones. I'm just telling you guys these are the ones that I'm following more than anything. Right now, guys, take a look at Ion. Ion is exploding. Let's look at this chart, guys. Let's look at this chart from 1 month. From 1 month, okay? Back here, 1 month ago, Ion was right around $4,800. It's now $17,792. Again, Ion is super scarce. It's one of those things that's more of a store of value, but there's some developments happening, like a DAO being formed. Actually, there was a governance proposal that just got passed recently here. So there's a lot of speculation on what Ion is going to be bringing to the table here shortly. Again, guys, super bullish. Let's go on over to a couple other things that are actually just exploding right now. Let's look at Stargaze. Stargaze in the past 7 days has seen itself all the way down to right around 22 cents. Right now, it's 29 cents. Bullish things happening right now in the OSMOSIS DEX or in the Cosmos ecosystem. Let's talk about Juno, guys. Juno, if you guys don't know, I'm telling you, you gonna know soon. See what I did there? Juno over the past 7 days doing extremely well, not to its previous all-time highs, but damn near close to it, guys. Over the past 7 days, it has climbed all the way back up to $16.70. Super bullish. Actually, back here on the 9th, you could have caught it right around $12. If we go back a month ago, you could have caught it all the way around $9.32. If we go all the way back, you could have caught this anywhere in October for right around $4 to $5. Guys, super bullish. If you guys don't know anything about Juno, go back and watch my previous videos. Like I said, check out my playlist. We're going to take a look at the Osmo token for OSMOSIS. Again, guys, this is the OSMOSIS platform token in itself. Over the past 7 days, you could have caught this right around $8.43. It's $9.48. If we go back and take a look at all of that price action that it's ever seen, you could have at one point, you could have caught this for $1.13. You could have caught this in October right around $4. You could have caught it again in December right around $4. And right now it's again $9.48. So much bullish things happening right now in the Cosmos ecosystem. That's what I have right now for you guys. I hope this finds you guys in good health. I hope this finds you guys in profits. I hope you guys are waking up to the Cosmos ecosystem. I'm telling you guys, do some homework. Watch that playlist that I have. I hope you guys are all doing well. And don't forget, subscribe. Be good out there. Peace.